Over the weekend, hacktivist group Anonymous made true on their promise and began their cyber war on ISIS. The hackers claim in a video posted Friday that they had taken dozens of accounts on Twitter and Facebook, all which were used as a recruiting platform for ISIS to gain more numbers in their organization. But before they made the claim, Anonymous prefaced with an explanation of who exactly is fighting against the terrorist organization in what they call Operation ISIS. They explain that the ones fighting the cyber war are young, or old, gay, or straight, from all races, countries, religions, and ethnicity. United as one, divided by zero. At the end of the video, Anonymous leaves one of their terrifying threats aimed at ISIS, telling them there is no safe place to hide.